Today, I'll walk you through how to add a slicer in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a slicer to filter your data effectively so you can enhance your data visualization experience. First, let's open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's essential to have your workspace ready. Next, navigate to the Visualizations pane located on the right side of your screen. This pane contains all the tools you need to create stunning visuals. Now look for the slicer icon, which resembles a funnel over a table page. Click on it. This action will initiate the creation of a slicer. Once you click the icon, a blank slicer placeholder will appear on your canvas. Think of this as a blank canvas waiting for your creative touch. Select the empty slicer on the canvas. This step is crucial as it prepares the slicer for the data you want to filter. In the data pane on the right, find the column or field you want to filter by. This could be anything from category, region, date, or year. Choose the one that best suits your analysis needs. Now drag and drop that field into the field well under the Visualizations pane. This action connects your data to the slicer, allowing it to filter your visuals based on your selection. With the slicer visual selected, head over to the Format Visual section, which you can find by clicking on the paint, roller, or brush icon. Here, you'll see various options to customize your slicer. In the Visual tab, locate the slicer settings. Under Style, you can choose your preferred layout. For text or categories, you can opt for a vertical list, dropdown, or tile layout. If you're working with dates or numbers, you have options like between slider, before, after, list, or dropdown. Select the one that best fits your data presentation style. And there you have it. You've successfully added a slicer in Power BI. This tool not only enhances your reports, but also makes data exploration intuitive for your audience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.